hearts. To win or lose is not the only thing. It's all in how we play the fairest game. This is the chance we take, reaching for the top. Time records the victory in our hearts. To be number one, running like the wind, playing hard, but always playing fair. Oh yeah, to be number one, reading again and again, reaching higher through this open sky. This is what we've wanted all our lives, shining like a shooting star at night. We've got to give it all when we hear the call. Time records the victory in our hearts.